Hello, this is Chris Vargo from Active Club Solutions. This training video today will cover how to create and sell packages on the point of sale. Let's start by opening the Active Club Manager. Here we go. We will go up to Network, Setup, Heading. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to create a brand new heading for these packages. I'm just going to go ahead and hit Search. Now if you're an existing customer, or even maybe a brand new one, you still might see a number of headings already in here. What we're going to do though is we're going to go up to the top right over here and we're going to hit the new record icon. From here we have type and subtype that we need to distinguish for this heading. We could create it for just the point of sale, and then this heading would not show on the shopping cart, or we could do both. What we're going to do is we're just going to have this one be visible on the point of sale. Now we could also have this heading have inventory and packages in it by doing both, or we could just specify inventory under this heading or just packages. We're going to do both for this one. And now Halloween is coming up, so we're going to go ahead and create this to say Halloween, and we're going to put our package underneath that heading. When creating a new heading in the back end, you'll always want to go to Network, Setup, Clear Cache after you create it. This is just so the system knows to go get the new heading in the drop downs where you assign them to packages or inventory. So now we're going to go up to File, we're going to go to Package. From here I want you to clear whatever your search was, and we're going to just put in product under the type. Now if you don't have, or you've never created any of these product packages, this list will be empty. That's fine. We have 3 here that we have used for testing, but we're going to go ahead and create a new one as if we don't have any. So we're going to hit the new record icon at the top right left here, and then we're going to start. We're going to go ahead and give it a name, label, Trick or Treat. I like to just copy this and then move down to the name and the description and just copy that and paste them in there. We do need to define the type as a product, and you have different options depending on clubs and things. We're just going to make this one standard, and then we're going to make the category wine, because this trick or treat package is going to have wine in it. Down here is very important. We need to check the display on point of sale. You'll see that it automatically checks the do not repack it, but then disables it because we don't allow for the repacking of a point of sale package. This is because the point of sale allows you to modify the order. It allows you to modify the discount structure or the pricing, things like that. And if this was not checked, then that would not work so well on the point of sale. So it must be do not repack. The downfall of do not repack is that it will also require its own tracking number if it is shipped, and will need to go in its own package. We're going to go on to the Details tab. Here is where you would define any rules that you want to do for shipping. We're going to actually do the 4-bottle rule here, and the 4-bottle applied to pickup orders, just for handling rules and just to show you that it can be done. We're actually also going to give a 15% discount on the products that we enter into this system. Then we're going to slide over to the inventory. When this is checked on the General tab, the display on point of sale, and then you go to the Inventory tab, this will be visible. It's not visible unless it's a product and it's a point of sale package. So we need to define which tasting room we want this to be available for. That means that if you have this trick or treat package and you want to sell it in all 3 locations, we will need to make a copy of this, and the only difference between the 3 would be the POS location that you're defining in them. Okay? Then we're going to come down here and we're going to add some inventory. We're going to add the 14 Pinot Noir. Going to define which tasting room inventory it's going to pull from. Then we're going to go ahead and add another. Oh, here we don't have any inventory in stock on this one, so let's go pick a different one. We have plenty of inventory in here. And then we're going to increase the quantity of these. Now you can actually go into the customer selection record, the package inventory record, I mean, and you can update the price. It doesn't have to be the price that you normally sell this item for. So we'll change that to 20. And we can also come in here and put a different discount rate. Now if I put a different discount rate in here, and I have a discount defined on the details tab, this is going to overwrite what's in that package inventory record, unless I check this, which is add to inventory discount, and then it will add the 15 on top of the 20 that we put in there. I'm going to save the record. We have 4 bottles, 4 bottle rules. Make sure I have the Halloween selected. Hit close. Now we should be ready to go into the point of sale. I'm going to log out, log back in, go to the Virginia Beach, and as you can see, there's my Halloween. We just created that. Oh, that shows the one down there. So I'm going to add the package. And then from this point on, the package will be treated like any other item on the point of sale. So that would be the end of our training session, because everyone is familiar how to use the point of sale. You can go back to our other training videos on the different discounts and things that you can provide. I do want to share with you one exception to the rule. So I'm going to go ahead and check out. And when you click on that item, you get these line item overrides. You can override the discount on that single item, but you cannot override the price. Because there are multiple inventory items in a package, just overriding the price, we would not accurately be able to say, well, we need to subtract some from this inventory and subtract some from this inventory. So just concentrate on the discount percentage when working with packages. I mean, you can put something in here, but it is not going to change the price. Okay? And this is Chris Varga with Active Club Solutions, and I hope to see you the next time in the next training video. Thank you.